Welcome back to the Kinsey Tutoring YouTube channel. Another day of math, another night of math. I'm your head tutor, Jeremiah, and today's topic is going to be we're going to just do a college level worksheet where we're going to divide and multiply fractions along with reducing fractions as well, and we're going to have some fun. All right, so let me share my screen and we'll get started. All right. All right, so question one. So we see a 5 over 18 times 4 over 15 divided by 10 over 9. So with PEMDAS, you can interchange the M and the D. So you have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So now we have the parentheses. So we're going to start with both parentheses. So this is by itself, so we don't have to worry about it. But this parentheses has an equation in it. So we're going to start that. Multiplying fractions, multiply the top and the bottom by each other. 5 times 4, 20. 18 times 5. Ugh, I do a little math for that. We're going to do 18 times 15, excuse me. 0, 4. So the 9, 0, 8, 1. Add 0, 7, 1, 270. Okay, so 20 over 270 divided by 10 over 9, which means with dividing fractions, you're going to keep, change, and flip. So times, yeah, so times 10 over 9. Okay. Well, 9 over 10. Excuse me. So that would be technical. Okay. So now we're going to do, instead of 10 over 9, you keep, change, flip 9 over 10. Right. So then that's going to be 20 times 9, 180. 270 times 10, just add a 0 to 2700. Okay. So, so we have 180 over 2700. Now, a easy way to reduce this, it says simplify. I believe at the top it says to simplify. So we're just gonna if you want to reduce this, eliminate the zeros, right? So 18 and 270. So what you can do is remove the zero at the end and say, what do 18 and 27 go into? That could be 3, right? But then there's a number higher than that, 9, right? So 9 divided by 2. So you remove the zeros to make it easier to divide. So then that's going to be 2. And then 270. So then 9 goes in 27 three times. Add the 0 left over. And we can still reduce, right? Because 2 and 30, the greatest least common multiple is 1. Oh, and then divide both in top by 1 by 2. 1 over 15. Okay. So that's question 1. A. Okay. So now we're going to do 1B. 7 over 14 times negative 8 over 16 times negative 4 over 5. Okay. So we're going to do 7 over 14 times negative 8 over 16. Let's just start with those two. 7 times 8, negative 56. 16 times 14. Let's see what that is. So 16 times 14, 4, 2, 64, 0, 6, and then 1. Okay. Add them together. 4, 2, and then 1, 224. Okay. So 224 at the bottom, and then we keep dividing. Keep multiplying. Times negative 4 over 5 equals, I'm going to be doing math as well. 56 times 4, which is 2, which is, well, not 2. 6 times 4 is 24, right? 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 2. 5 times 4, 20. Add 2, 224. All right, so we have another 224. And then 224 over 224 times 5. Okay, so then we got 224 times 5 equals 0, 2, and 12, 2, 1, 11, 20. Okay, so what's great about this question is, so even though this can take long, it can be hard finding the least common multiple, right? But what did we just do to find the denominator? We did 224 right here times 5, right? So we did that and we got 1120. So now if I want to reduce this fraction right here, how many times does 1120 go into 224? I just figured that out. It's 5. So we can divide the top and the bottom by 224, and our final answer is going to be 1 over 5, because we did 224 divided by 224, 1, and then we got 1120 divided by 224, which is 5 right there. So 1 over 5. Okay. All right, let's do one more. Well, a couple more, two more. All right, so 3 over 7 divided by 9 over 14. Okay, so dividing fractions. Keep, change, flip, right? 3 over 7 times 14 over 9. Okay, take care of the parentheses first, right? 14 times 3, 42, over 7 times 9, 63. Okay, and actually, let's reduce this early so then it's easier for us to multiply it by the 6 over 7. So 42, and they both go into 3, right? So 14, and so we have 14 over 21, right? Oh, well, 14 and 21. Now, what do they both go into? You could think. Correct, 7. So 14 divided by 7, 2 over, and then 21 divided by 7, 3. So 2 over 3. So now it's easier, right? Because then we take that 2 over 3, then we multiply by what's left over, 6 over 7, which equals 12 over 21, which can be reduced. Both numbers go into 3, correct. So 3 goes into 12 4 times. 21 goes into 3 7 times. Final answer, 4 over 7. All right, let's do one more. One sheet. So simplify the following expression, reduce to lowest terms. Okay, so reduce to lowest terms. So 2 over 3 to the third power times 9 over 16. So now to the third power, that means basically to figure out this part of the equation, you're going to do 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. Or what they're saying is 2 to the third over 3 to the third. Okay, either or, it's the same thing, right? So let's just do it this way since I wrote it out. 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, again, 8. 2 to the third is 8. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. 8 over 27, right? Do we have to reduce? 8 and 27, they don't have any other common multiples, so that's it. All right, we're done there. Now, what's left over? The times 9 over 16. Take that 8 over 27 times 9 over 16. Okay? Which equals, so now what we can do to make this easier is we can do, we can kind of cross divide if that makes sense. So what we can do is turn this into a 1, turn this into a 3, right? Because 9 goes in 27 three times, and then 8 and 16 go into each other, right? 8 goes into 8 one time, 8 goes into 16 two times. 1 times 1 is 1, and then 1 over, and then 3 times 2 is 6. 1 over 6. And that's our answer in lowest terms. So in this video, we just went over a couple of equations and just practiced dividing fractions, multiplying fractions. Um, even this one, they add an exponent, right? So you never know what kind of equations you're going to get. Then we'll do some more practice videos. This is about a 3-page worksheet, so there'll be 2 more videos attached to this, posted after this, just to practice more of these skills. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you.